Now, simply pulling reports is a great help, but it's not the end of the road as far as what we bookkeepers do with these financial statements. We also have to be able to interpret those numbers for our clients. Xavier is counting on us to be able to explain this to him, so we better know ourselves, right? To do that, I'm going to throw in a formula you'll use to help compare numbers, just to spice things up a bit. Don't say I never gave you anything. It's called the percent change formula. It's used specifically to compare changes between 2 years and looks like this. Let's work through an example together. You can see the 2 years side by side on this P&L. Let's calculate the percent change of net sales, so we'll know how much change occurred. First, we take the net sales number from 2017, subtract the net sales number from 2016. Then, we divide the difference by the net sales of 2016, multiply by 100 to get the percentage. In this case, after working the equation, we get a percent change of 6.3% increase from 2016 to 2017 net sales. And in case you're wondering, yes, you can get a negative percent change as a loss. Remember, this is a profit and loss statement.